Good morning. It's Wednesday, December the 1st, and we're taking a look at energy markets. We're taking a look at crude oil, both WTI and Brent, looking at the technical levels and the technical analysis based reasoning on the markets. Also taking a look at natural gas. So we'll start with the longer term time frame, the weekly chart. Impulsive move in WTI crude oil, topped out at $85. We've seen a really good correction from there, which ran into support from the previous resistance, turned into support area between the 66.50 and 61.50. So there's a $5 range here, quite a big range of support for there. But prices have bounced off there over the last day or so. Let's take a look at the daily chart. We were in this bullish channel higher, 50-day moving average here, broke through there, and price action has been capped by that 50-day moving average. So still looking bearish from a short-term perspective. We've seen a really strong move lower on the 26th. That was last Friday, and since then we've seen further downside. The next level of support, as I say, is around about 61.50. Price action overnight has been positive. We've seen a little bit of an uptick. We've got all inventories out later, so volatility should pick up there as well. Obviously, the reason for this sell-off is this new COVID variant, and it's the Omicron, and we're seeing mild symptoms, but the spread of the virus is pretty rapid. So that is spooking the markets at the moment, and the considerations of further lockdowns globally really is something that is spooking the oil market. So looking at the 4-hour chart, we were in a bearish channel and we have broke to the downside quite aggressively, and we can see we've had a little bit of a correction higher, but really prices need to recapture ground above the $69 and $70 level to stave off this onslaught from the bears. On the Brent side of things, we had this upward trending support line, a tentative one because there was only 2 points. Price action broke through there and found support around the 38.2% previous fib, which was the Fibonacci from the downward move. So that would turn from resistance into support, and it's bounced off there nicely. On the weekly candle, it's actually forming a bullish hammer. So it'd be interesting to see if this price action continues to remain strong into the end of the week. That's a positive week for Brent crude. On the daily side of things, very similar to WTI crude, stalled in front of support at 66.73, price action trading 71.85, but really need to capture ground above the $76 level to stave off the bears. Further resistance will be seen above there. Natural gas, however, has broken some really key support level. $4.75 was the key support. We had 4 or 5 occasions where it's acted as support. It's broken through really aggressively and still on the back foot. So the 50-day moving average obviously has capped price action. This descending wedge, descending triangle formation, the base has been broken. So that is negative. 475 should act as resistance moving forward into the next few weeks. So that's definitely a level to look out for. From a Fibonacci perspective, we'll get some color on here. We can see we had price action around here, which will be coming in around about the 61.8% fib retracement level. That looks like a natural target. $4 is the natural target for natural gas. So thanks for joining me. Hope it's been informative and look forward to seeing you again next week.